Hello everyone. Are you noticing stubborn pigmentation or dark patches on your cheeks, forehead, and on the upper lip? So, if you live in dry and hot climates, it can be due to constant sun exposure and heat. So, in this video, I'll explain the cause behind this stubborn pigmentation and most importantly, how you can treat it the right way. So, let us understand the science behind it first. So, if you live in dry and hot climates, your skin is constantly exposed to UV rays. So, UV exposure is the most important trigger for melanin overproduction, but it is not always just the sun exposure. Even if you live in shade without exposing to sun directly, the ambient heat can itself stimulate the melanin production. Sometimes the heat from the indoors, like for example, if you stay near to the kitchen or the stove, the heat from there also release infrared radiation, which itself can stimulate the melanin overproduction. So in addition to this, if your skin is dehydrated from the dry hair, your skin becomes more vulnerable to UV damage, leading to that deep stubborn pigmentation. So what can be done to control this pigmentation? So first and foremost is using a broad spectrum sunscreen, and you also need to know how to use it the right way. So you need to apply it liberally all over your face, ears, neck, and you have to repeat it every 3 hours, and do apply sunscreen even when you are staying indoors. Next is the usage of lightweight antioxidant serums like niacinamide and vitamin C, which reduce the melanin production. Next is good hydration therapy. Use a good lightweight moisturizer regularly, which can restore your natural skin barrier. And then taking professional help in the form of laser toning, pigment correcting peels, and other advanced pigmentation therapies. So if you are tired of trial and error products, do visit New Roots Skin and Hair Clinic. We just don't treat the pigmentation spots. We address the root cause and try to correct the cause and treat it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simplified skin science.